I am at the Robert Branston residence to do a repair attempt video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this wind damaged shingle right here without trying to disturb the two shingles above it. I'm going to start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay, now I'm going to make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm going to take this wind damaged shingle out. Okay, I got the shingle out. Now I'm going to put it right back in where it was, and I'm going to fasten it to the decking. Shingle's falling apart. As you can see, this is not a candidate for repairs. Let's see here. All right. Now, there we go. I'm going to fasten it using my roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. One more. Okay, shingle's back in. Not going anywhere. So in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. But look at the shingle above it. We have a delaminated tooth here, 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 over into another shingle. We have a delaminated tooth. This is an issue in repairability because this shingle will start to come apart, much like this one, deeming this roof irreparable.